Welcome to CaSSOA, the Caravan Storage Site Owners Association. CaSSOA is a nationally recognised organisation representing caravan storage site owners across the UK. Since 1999, we have rapidly expanded and now represent a significant number of caravan and motorhome storage sites throughout England, Wales and Scotland. All our accredited caravan storage sites are independently assessed for security features, access and amenities to make sure they provide superior levels of protection from theft. We offer 3 levels of accreditation for storage site owners: bronze, silver and gold. Awards are accredited on a points earned basis, with gold being the highest award that can be achieved. Our accreditation is based on assessment of a number of factors. Our regular independent site inspections will make sure that physical and electronic security systems are complemented by robust site management systems to ensure that you're provided with the best possible storage for your caravan. One of these assessment factors is on-site facilities. On-site facilities and the services will vary from site to site. Services can include valeting, a visiting service engineer, electric hookups, a workshop and a shop which sells equipment and gas. And some sites even offer indoor storage. CaSSOA will take into account site administration procedures in the form of a storage contract, plus systems in place to record the movement of each unit stored, which is important for any site. CaSSOA storage sites offer a range of plot types, ranging from tarmac and concrete to gravel hardstanding and grass pitches. Additionally, it's recommended that sites have a vermin control regime, which helps to protect from damage caused by rodents. With a CaSSOA storage site, you can relax knowing that your caravan is stored somewhere with high levels of security that are well maintained and checked regularly by our independent surveyor. With over 400 sites across the UK, you can be sure to find a secure location within easy reach of your location. Visit our website, cassoa.co.uk, to find your nearest CaSSOA storage site.